Style binding. In this video, we are going to discuss about what is a style binding, what is the use of ng style, simple example program to understand these both. Generally, every HTML element has a style property. We can set multiple styles to that HTML element by using this style property. But here the problem is we cannot set these styles dynamically by using this style property. To achieve this, we have a style binding in Angular. Style binding is basically a one-way data binding where the data passes from component class to template, and this template HTML elements uses this data to the style property of those HTML elements. Syntax. Generally, style is the property, so we have to specify within bracket style dot that specific style name we need to give is equal to in double quotes we need to specify the value coming from the component class. Suppose if I want to set text color with some color which is coming the value coming from the component class for the div tag, then we need to specify div within brackets style dot color is the style is equal to we need to specify error color. Error color is the value which is coming from the component class. But here we have one more difficulty. If you want to set the multiple colors, then you have to write multiple times a style property for the same element. Okay, to achieve this, we have ng style in Angular. ng style is basically a directive. About these directives, we are going to discuss in other videos. As of now, the directive can be used as a property to any HTML element in Angular. And this is basically used to set the multiple styles dynamically to the HTML elements. Okay, these multiple styles can be represented as object that contains key value pairs. Key represents the style name, value represents the value coming from the component class. Syntax. This ng style we need to specify it in brackets is equal to within curly braces we need to specify the multiple styles. Style colon value we need to specify. Okay, let us try to understand all these things with simple example program. Yeah, this is the simple application which is created by Angular CLI. Okay, we are talking about style binding. So style binding passes the values from component class to template. Okay, let me write some HTML elements in the template. This is simple tag p graph p tag. Okay, let me write one div tag. Okay, let me try to use the style property. Okay, we need to specify some styles. Let me put some background color and let me put some text color. Let me save it. Let's see the output. Yeah, we can see that the styles have been applied to simple text. Okay, now if I want to make it dynamic, suppose this color I want to get color value I want to get it from the app.component.ts. Okay, and I want to decide whether the color for text is green or red depend on the value which is coming from the component class. Okay, in all these situations this will not work. Okay, to achieve this we have a style binding in Angular. Let us try to use that style binding. This text I'm just writing for differentiate between previous one and current one. Okay, let me use the same div tag only. Okay, okay. If you want to use the style binding, style you need to write dot. Okay, I want to set the background color. Okay, I want to take this value from the component class. Let me define one variable, um, back color. Let me define it as string. Then I am assigning some value. Let us take same thing from here. Okay, let me add one more text color. Let me put this one as green. Okay, if I want to use back color for this background color, then we can specify that variable here. Okay, here if I want to add let us see the output here. Yeah, that background color is applied here also, right? Right, suppose if I want to add color to the text, then I have to write one more style property. Okay, then color, then we have to write text color. Let me copy this. Yeah, we can see that text color is also changed. This is the way we can use the style binding. Here style has a syntax like style dot that specific style. This is the value which is coming from the component class. We can write ternary operators, conditional statements we can write to apply the color. Suppose let me write one variable is error. Okay, let me make it as boolean. Okay, first let me put true. Okay, here I want to change the color of text. If the is error is true, then that is red color, otherwise green color. That I can write by using the conditional statements. Sorry, we can specify if it is error, red color. If it is not error, then green color. Let's see the output. Yeah, if it is true, it is red. It is in red. Suppose if I make it to false, then this is converted into green. This is the way we can use the style binding in Angular. But here the problem is if you want to add multiple styles, then we have to add multiple times. One more thing here, if you want to use method also, that is possible. Okay, you can use the method here also. Suppose let me add one method here. Okay, let me return anything. Just I'm giving the okay. Suppose it is giving the green. place of this thing we can write this method directly. All this we learned in property binding. Same way we are using, but the data we are binding to the style. That's why this is called as style binding. Let me try to this. Yeah, we can see that style is applied. Okay, here the problem is if you want to add multiple styles, then that is the problem. Here to address this problem, we have ng style in Angular. Okay, let us try to understand that also. Okay, ng style is a directive, so we can use it as attribute. Sorry, property ng style. Here we need to specify n as a small letter. Ng style. Here we can specify the multiple styles as an object. Okay, let me put some object here. Within that we can specify multiple styles. Suppose background color. Let us take the same styles. Okay, let me put them into. All these are string values, so we can put them in single quotes. Okay, let me save it and see the output. Okay, here we have the problem. Here we should not use semicolon. Comma should be used in object. Here in objects, so generally we will use comma to for in between the properties of the object. Same way we need to use it. Okay, now let's see the output. Yeah, we can see that the same output. Okay, here if you want to add these styles dynamically, we can get all these values from component. Suppose here we already defined. Let us take the back color. We can set it here. Text color. Okay, same applied, right? Suppose if I want to get all these colors from the method, that also we can write it. Let me copy this thing. Let us modify this. Get styles. Okay, here this dot back color we can write. Okay, let's see the output. Same applied. This is the way we can use ng style also. Basic, sorry. Yeah, styles gone, right? Now if you apply this method, let's see the output. Yeah, styles applied. This is the way we can use the style binding and ng style in Angular. Thank you.